What is happening YouTube? It's your boy TechTricks back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how you can make phone calls, text message from US and Canada, all for free. Here we go. First and foremost, I would like you guys to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you won't miss anything, all the tips and tricks on your iPhone and Android. Make sure you check out my merch as well at 1130.ca. And here we go. Today we're going to look at free calling. As long as you have data, you'll have free calling to Canada and US, unlimited. Take whatever time you want. It won't cost you anything. You can also text from Canada and US. And here we go. Today we're going to test it out as well. So just to show you guys how well this works, I've tested this, and the phone calls I have been getting a lot of great reviews on my sound quality on my calls. So that's already handled quite well with this free app. Today we're going to look at Text Now. You'll be able to get this free from the App Store. But today I'm going to show you how to get the premium version. With the free app on the App Store, Text Now has ads. You won't be able to call forward. And if you don't use the app or you don't use that phone number, then you would lose it on a period of time. But in this case, if you have premium, then you get rid of ads. You'll be able to call forward and also keep that phone number forever. So how you want to get premium is you need Tweakbox. For those of you who doesn't know Tweakbox is an app where you cannot find in the App Store, but you can find it, you can download it through Safari by going to tweakboxapp.com. You're gonna need to install the profile for this so that you'll be able to install it to your iPhone. Tweakbox allows you to download jailbreak apps for free without jailbreaking your phone. So this is the best way for those of you like me who doesn't want to jailbreak their phone but still want to get the perks of having jailbroken. So let's go ahead and explore this. So let's go ahead and install now. Once you press install now, you're gonna have to press allow on this one. In this case, I've already installed it, so I'm just gonna press ignore. But for you guys who haven't installed it, make sure to press allow. So once you've done that, you're gonna have to go to settings, general, profiles and device management, and make sure that install Tweakbox profile. Once you've done that, then you'll be able to open up the Tweakbox app on your home screen. Let's go ahead to that. And what you want to do is swipe left or click up there to apps. And what you want to do is go to tweaked apps. Scroll all the way down to Text Now Plus Plus. As you can see there, Text Now cracked premium feature without ads, activated premium number by DZ Moha IPA. So let's go ahead and install that. Press install. In this case, I've already installed it, so I'm just going to press cancel, but for you guys, press install. Once you've done that, you won't be able to open the app right away, but what you need to do is go back to settings and go back to profile and device management. There will be an enterprise app that will pop up, and make sure to go into that and make sure to press trust and then trust again. And then you should have the verified status on the side. So as you guys can see there, Text Now have verified status. So once you have that all going for you, then you'll be able to open up Text Now. So let's go ahead and open that up. As you guys can see here, it won't have any ads. I'll be able to call forward as well, and my number, it will be permanent to my account. So as you guys already know, you're gonna have to make your own account. So it's pretty easy. So go ahead and do that, and then go to this place right here, and then we're gonna go ahead and test and review this. Let's pull out our other iPhone here. As you guys can see there, let's go ahead and try the text messaging. So let's press hide for now. Let's create one. So in this case, they'll give you a phone number that will work for you, which is up there. They'll generate a new phone number for you guys, so you'll have a new phone number as well. In this case, let's just punch this in, 506 701 6776. Simple text hi. There we go. Once you've done that, obviously you'll get a notification right there. That's my number from this phone right here, right there, 873-500-1371. There you go. So let's go ahead and text this back. As you guys can see there, this is the free version. It would have ads right there. Mine does not have that. So if that bugs you, then you need premium, right? And there you go. It took a bit of time, but it really depends on your connection on the internet. As you guys can see here, no ads with ads right there. Big difference. Let's go ahead and call each other now. There you go. It'll start the call. It's pretty good. Let's go ahead and end that call. So you may ask, what's the big difference between this and WhatsApp? In this case, WhatsApp, you won't be able to call anyone, any number. So this iPhone 10 is connected to cellular, which is in Freedom Mobile. So let's go ahead and call the number of this guy instead. So let's go ahead and text that. Some random things right there. So from the app, this is from the normal iMessenger, the messages app right there, as you guys can see. I can also text back to text now. So just random there, text back. And as you guys can see, I was able to accept it. I can also call this number and this will go to my actual phone number. So right there, let's go ahead and call that. There you go. I was able to call in. So in this case, with this text now, you'll be able to text, call all around the world with any phone number. Just punch in your number. You'll be able to go into text now and use that. Doesn't matter what phone number you got. Any phone, it doesn't have to be from the app. You can call any number in the world. You can call any number from US and Canada. It won't cost you anything. Everything here is all for free. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys were able to enjoy this video. How to get free phone calls. How to call anyone from US and Canada for free. For those of you who are paying too much for your phone bill because you have too much data and also have to pay the extra amount to have the unlimited calling and texting. In this case, you'll be able to just apply for an iPad SIM and this would work, and everything is through data. You won't need to pay $40 or $60 amount or whatever it is on your plan. You won't have to pay the calling and texting. You just have to pay for extra data, which is a lot less compared to if you had to pay for calling and texting. That's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If I was able to help you guys save some money, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like button, share this to your friends, comment below what I could improve on, and I hope to see you guys next time. Check out my merch below as well. Stay grateful. Peace.